Okay, welcome Abhay. Welcome to your first mock PI. I would just
Thank
introduce you to the panelists who will be taking mock PI today. So we have Taruna ma'am. She's the Associate Director and HOD of School of Fashion Design at UID. And we have Abad sir. He's the Business Head of Pehel Design as well as the Management Expert. So I would request the panelists to please start the interview.
Thank you. Hi, Mr. Abhay. So as
yes, sir.
my colleague has introduced our panelists, right? So would you like to go ahead by introducing yourself?
Yes, sir. Please repeat again, sir.
Can you please introduce yourself? What course you're
Uh,
going for?
okay, sir. My name is Abhay Kumar Singh, and I hail from Mirzapur, Uttar Pradesh. And Mirzapur is famous for Dari, and it has also got geographical identification tag for Dari. And it is also famous for the Indian Standard Time line, which passes through Mirzapur, which define Indian Standard Time. And sir, my father is in crime branch in Uttar Pradesh Police, and my mother is a homemaker. And I did my BTech in Carpet and Textile Technology from Indian Institute of Carpet Technology, which is in Bhadoi, Uttar Pradesh. Sir, I was captain of cricketing as well as volleyball team in my college, and I had organized Carpet Expo twice at district level when I was in my final year of college. And sir, I had also qualified GATE exam and got All India rank 125. And sir, I have 1.5 year work experience in two company, like one in OBT, which as a quality executive, which is a carpet manufacturing company, and one in Trident Group. I worked there as a production manager in Terry Tower plant, and I had given 100 to 20 metric ton production in a single day, which was highest since the establishment of company. And sir, my strengths are leading group, organizing ability, and perseverance. And my weakness are like I sometimes I become overconfident.
So
And sir,
calm down. Let me ask the question. It's fine. So why do you think you have weakness? What kind of weakness do you have?
sir, I have weakness like sometimes I become overconfident in many cases.
Okay.
Can you give an example
Yeah.
where it
Uh,
didn't work for you?
like ma'am, whenever I get some work to complete, in that situation, sometimes I start like doing over expectation, like I can achieve very suddenly and I can do very best, but sometimes I am not able to complete on time. It takes some time and more guidance from my who are more experienced in that work.
Okay. And what do you want to pursue, Abhay?
Ma'am, I'm looking for ma'am MFM, Masters in Fashion Management.
And why so? How will that help you, or how does that align with what you see your future as?
Ma'am, as I have done my BTech in carpet and textile
Mhm.
technology, so I know the basic of manufacturing, how the carpets and as well as textiles are manufactured. So from MFM, I would know about the merchandising, retail, and market how markets run in fashion sector and international business related with fashion management. So I will learn from MFM.
Do you think the GI has made any impact on the carpet industry over there? And
Yes, sir.
when did it get the GI tag? Which year?
Ma'am, I think it was in the year 2018 or 17.
Okay, that's too new, but still, has there been an impact, or is it too early to see or talk about?
Ma'am, impact is already there because the carpets made from Mirzapur is worldwide famous. Everybody knows about it. But when a garment or when a government or any organization gives GI tag, so it will become more famous. So it will
Yeah,
definitely
but
help.
that's not been the case with many places. A lot of people are researching on the impact on GI tags, but for many crafts, it's the impact is not so strong. That's why I asked the question. Anyways, so when you do fashion management, that's more about the fashion brands and uh, uh, the fashion aspect is going to be much stronger than the textile aspect. Um, so how do you think that's going to really help you? Are you looking just for management? Because here they're going to talk about brands, they're going to talk about fast fashion, the industry, and this is purely textile.
Ma'am, I'm looking forward to become an expert in field of like retail, merchandising, and buying. So that's why I'm going for it. And I have, ma'am, a long time goal to establish my own carpet factory after 5 to 7 years down the line. So I want to learn about how to sell and how to produce to the customer for more profit to earn.
Okay. So you want to ask some question?
Yes, yes, I do have questions. So, what is your exactly plan after 5 years or 10 years down the lane? What did you have planned for yourself?
Sir, actually, sir, my home is in Mirzapur, so this place is quite famous for carpet. So I will definitely go for establishing a carpet factory after 5 to 7 years down the line. And as it is quite unorganized sector, I will introduce many good good means good sets, good system condition situation like system, so that it can help the wage daily wage earner. So I will help them.
That's a good idea. What are the other places in India do you have this carpet industry is flourishing?
Sir, there are many other places like Panipat, which is also very famous, and like the Agra and the Sitapur, which is in Lucknow, which is also very famous, and it is also famous in other countries too.
Right. Do you have any idea of the famous names who have worked into this industry, carpet industry, or any known faces you are aware of?
Sir, sorry, sir, please repeat again, sir.
Do you know anybody, famous personality who worked into this industry, carpet industry?
Yes, sir. This the Rudra Chatterjee who is very famous industrialist who is very famous industrialist and who owned the OBT industry, which is 100-year-old company.
Hmm. Okay. So, what do you think? Is it sustainable to have carpet industry? I mean, the way the product which is coming into this, is it going to be sustainable?
Exactly, sir. The as far as the sustainability are concerned, sir, it is quite the natural products are being used, natural material like cotton and jute, wool, silk, and all these materials are used. So definitely it is sustainable.
Okay.
These days, a lot of you know different fibers are considered more sustainable. The ones especially which are recycled, etc. Because cotton consumes a lot of water. Silk harms is not vegan unless we go for silk, which is going to be very expensive. So, what is your how do you compensate that? Cotton may be sustainable because it's natural, but the whole process takes so much of energy.
Sir, from my point of view, like we can use the blend yarn, like as we have many synthetic fiber like viscose, which is also called artificial silk, and the acrylic fiber, which is like a synthetic wool. We can blend this yarn with the natural fiber. In this way, we can reduce the more impact from the cotton which we are getting, like reducing water consumption.
So, what kind of food is famous in your city?
So food like the pan, which people use pan very much here.
Okay. So, don't you have any particularly food? It's just one people would have.
Sir, food like sir, I don't know right now, sir. I will tell you later if I come to know, sir.
For us non UPites, we associate pan only with Banaras.
All right. Thank you so much, Abhay. We're done with our this mock test. We'll give you feedback. My feedback is, Abhay, you need to little improve with the area which is actually going. You have a good knowledge of the product and you know what exactly you have to go. Please go through the brochure also of the NIFT, what kind of courses they will be providing and how they're gonna help you out into your future, right? What are the other ways? How would you establish your industry? See, I didn't ask you related to your industry. And it's very important to know. I mean, it's not some particular amount. It's needed a good amount to establish the carpet industry. And if you really wanted to improve the lives of the daily wages people, you have to work a lot and you have to work upon it, right? So try to work upon this how things can be changed, right? If the person asking you related to really question related to it, you should have the answer with you, right? Rest of the
Yes.
things related to food or related to area knowledge is very important, right? All the best.
Okay.
That's all from my side, Taruna ma'am.
Yeah,
Thank
well,
you, sir.
Abhay, I thought I think at least you're very clear in terms of what you have done and where you want to go. That clarity is good, I would say, to start with. And you do understand. It is very obvious that your understanding of what you've learned so far and the carpet environment is really, really strong. That's going to be an asset. I just feel that the other aspects, the moment we deviated from what you know, you weren't very sure of, but you tried to take those questions with the same confidence. So I just feel that maybe when you're talking about all of these things, thoda research or kar lijye. And if you're not so confident, make the answer brief and make it very simple, rather than elaborating, because that makes us get the sense that okay, you're not very sure about it.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
for example, when you say it's not, I can use whiskers or something, you can always, learn more about sustainability. You can always say that no process is 100% sustainable. So I just feel if you can get a little bit more understanding of the terms, like you can talk about ethical business and these kind of terms, if you have the idea in your mind, if you can get your terms, it will have a better impact and thoda concise.
Okay, ma'am.
Little bit more specific. All the very best.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Abhay. I hope you work on the points that the panelists have highlighted. We'll get in touch with you with the next mock PI. Until then, all the best. And as of now, you can leave the meeting.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.